How to set up direct deposit. All right, so open up your app. We are starting right here on the main home screen. Look down at the bottom left corner. You'll want to tap that first icon. For me, it shows my current balance of $100, but for you, it might show a different amount, or it might just be a little bank building icon if your balance is currently at zero. Go ahead and tap that, and it will bring you straight to your money dashboard. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the section labeled More Ways to Add Money. Right there, you'll see direct deposit. Let's tap on that. Quick heads up though, if your screen looks a little different than mine right now, it's probably because you haven't ordered or activated your Cash Card yet. Cash App requires you to have the debit card active to unlock direct deposits. If you already have your card, you're good to go. If you tap See All the Benefits at the top, you can see why this is such a game changer. First, you can get paid up to 2 days early depending on your employer. Second, you get 3 free ATM withdrawals every single month as long as you're depositing at least $300 monthly. And most importantly, your money is completely FDIC insured through their bank partners. It's safe, secure, and fast. Let's tap Done and look at how to actually link it. You have 2 really easy options here. First is the automatic setup. If you work for a major company like Home Depot, UPS, or if your job manages payroll through a portal like ADP, you can just tap Get Started and log in directly to link it instantly. If your employer isn't on that list, no worries at all. Just look right below it at Manual Setup and Use Account Details. This gives you your official Cash App routing number and account number. You can literally just copy these numbers and hand them straight to your HR or payroll department. Alternatively, if your job requires a physical document, you can tap Fill Out a Form right here. Cash App will walk you through creating a formal direct deposit form that you can download, save, or email directly to your boss. Just tap Continue and follow the quick prompts. Once your direct deposit's officially up and running, your setup is complete. If you also want to learn how to add physical checks straight into your account balance, make sure to click on my other video right here called How to Deposit Checks in Cash App. All details covered. See you over there.